How to change your background on WhatsApp call. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to change your call background on WhatsApp. Let's just get started. Open up WhatsApp application first. Once you open it up, go to the chat where you want to start a call. Just tap on it, and then from there you can just tap on the call option at the top. Now, once you start a call, the other person should pick up and your screen is going to look something like this. Now just tap on your video at the bottom right corner or top right, wherever your video is. Then you'll find a little pop-up icon like the magic wand right below the camera flip option. Tap on it, and then it's going to take you to the filter section. Right besides filters, you have backgrounds. So just tap on backgrounds, and you can find different options over here. You can just scroll through your options, and as you can see, your background is being changed accordingly. So that is basically it, guys. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button down below, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one.